friends, this is John Kingston from JR Trading Zone. You know, I have started the option series. Option selling series actually is a very big subject. Most of the YouTubers try to explain one or two strategies, or they always show their profit screenshot and make subscribers. I just want to teach all the aspects in the stock market. This is by intention actually. You want to study, if you are passionate about stock market, definitely I will be teaching all regarding stock market. Even now I am a learner in stock market, and what I have learned I am sharing to you. Okay, sometimes you may heard some in some videos the term short straddle. What is short straddle? That's only what I want to explain in this video. The adjustments, the application, how they use it for bullish market, how they use short strategy for the bearish market, how they use this for neutral market. That is completely a different subject, a slightly big subject. Now just try to understand what is short strategy. If you are a trader in stock market, in derivative market, definitely you might have the idea what is short strategy. I am just making this video for beginners. If you are a beginner, watch this video till the end without skipping and understand what is short strategy. I will show it from the payoff graph how traders create short strategy. Okay, then we will be back. Yes friends, let's go to the Opstra strategy builder. Okay, now Nifty spot is 19909. Okay, therefore you know 19,950 is the at the money strike. Okay, this is the at the money strike. What is at the money, out of the money, in the money? I have made separate videos. If you have not watched that video, you can just go and watch the video. Okay, just what you are going to do here, you are going to sell at the money call and at the money put. Here you are going to sell at the money call. You are selling at the money call. Okay, 9,950 call. Now you are going to sell at the money put. Both you are going to sell. Okay, at the money call and put you are going to sell. Now see, the maximum profit is 11,795, where only when the market settles at 19,943 at the time of expiry. What is the break even? Break evens are 19,715 on the downside and 20,185 on the upside. Okay, these are the break evens. Now the net credit you are getting is 11,795. That is your profit. The probability is 50%. Okay, actually we have shorted the call and put for the 28th September. Okay, at the money call and put for the 28th September. So if the market settles within this range, that is 19,715 and 20,185, you are going to make profit. This is a simple strategy, but most of the traders use this word short strategy. But when a beginner enters the market, he will not be aware what is short strategy. That's what I want to show in this video. Okay, this is always known as a neutral strategy, but it can be used for both bullish and bearish market and neutral market. That is a strategy where to create short straddle, and in which time we have to create, and what are the strikes to be selected. That is completely a different subject. Okay, that I will be explaining in my upcoming videos. Now in this video I have just explained only the what we say simple short straddle application. Hi friends, I think you enjoyed watching this video. This is how traders create short straddle. The adjustment of short straddle and the usage of short straddle is completely a different subject, and I will be explaining one by one in video because they are strategies. We can use it in different ways. For bullish market, for bearish market, for neutral market, we have to apply it in different ways and styles. Okay, therefore I will be explaining from a different angle and you can understand it properly. If you like the video, just give me a like button. The likes or the supports which you give, you that they are the claps which you give. Okay, definitely as a YouTuber, when I make videos, I expect likes from you. Those who watch the video, please give me like and share the video to the trading community members, the beginners. This is a short beginning video. If they are beginners, let them watch and be benefited from this video. Thanks a lot for watching. This is John Kingston signing off. Learn more, earn more. Bye.